Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Coding Playground here, and today we're back for another video on Memorial Day. As you know, Memorial Day is tomorrow on Monday, so happy Memorial Day, and I'm going to show you the project that I made for Memorial Day. So, let's see it. So I play some music. There's clouds, fighter jets, and two little army soldiers, and a flag. This is and I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free, and I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And it says Happy Memorial Day, and this is just a nice animation you can show if your grandfather or if your father is a veteran. So yeah, thank you for all the troops and for the things that saved America. So, in my original project, I actually had God Bless America and Amazing Grace, but I used God Bless America in my original project. But I'm pretty sure YouTube will give me a copyright strike if I actually play it on the video because it's copyrighted. And you can, if you want these sounds instead of the scratch sound, you can go to our project and export the sounds. So yeah. Export, there's the button. Yeah, right click and export sound. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Okay. So, let's get started. We do not need the scratch cat, so yeah. We're going to paint some clouds. So I did not upload the backpack, so it's just white. And we gotta make an oval shape on one of the sides. Let's do that, whatever. So yeah, we have to make an oval shape on this side. Around that big. Can't even see a thing. I should upload the backdrop to see if this is large enough. And then make another oval about that big. So here's cloud number 1. And you just move this one across to this side. And you got cloud number 2. And then you can duplicate that again and Control C, Control V, this one. And you can put it over here. So there we go. 3 types of clouds. And let's just get the backdrop, blue sky. So you can actually see it. I'll decrease the size later. Or, yeah, let's decrease the size later. So now, I'm just going to make these smaller because I don't think in my original project I decreased them. I'm just going to make them just a little bit smaller. So yeah, I think this is the right size almost. Just gonna make this one a little bit smaller. And there we go, we got some clouds. So now we're gonna work on the clouds. So when the green flag is clicked, go hide. Go forever. Create wait 0.5 seconds. And create clone of myself. So when you get to when I start as a clone, I'll set size to, I'll pick random size because some clouds are larger than others. If you didn't know, you've probably seen the sky before, so yeah, you guys probably know. So set size, pick random, 50 to 100%. Some clouds are larger than others. So now it'll set ghost effect because clouds have a faint color. They're not colored, it's like clear. So it'll set ghost color, set ghost effect to 50. So it'll be faded. And it'll switch costume to pick random 1 to 3. So it depends which costume you're gonna put. So, and now we're gonna put a go to X, -200, and pick random 75 to 100. Pick random 75 to 150. So now we have the X and Y, like where it's gonna glide and everything. So we're gonna finish this. We're gonna have a show, and we're gonna have a repeat until we have X position is greater than 250, which is right here. If it's greater than 250, around here, then it will change X by pick random 5 to 10. And delete this clone. So let's see the clouds now. Look, there we got the clouds. Okay, they're on the top. And now we're going to work on the flag and the flagpole. So this might take a little while because of the fact that this has over 70 costumes. And I'm recording right now and it just takes forever. Oh, I actually went pretty quick. It wasn't that bad. Let's see how much costumes. 75. So, the flag, we have to draw the flagpole for the flag, of course, because why would you just draw a random flag with no flagpole? So, the flagpole, you just have to paint a new sprite. And you need to make a really, really long pole. So, not that big. And I'm gonna make the oopsies, backup space, and then I'm gonna make the top of the flagpole yellow. Let's go for like that type of yellow, gold. Oopsies. No outline. So shift and draw a perfect circle right on top. And so now we put the flagpole on the ground and we put the flag on the flagpole. So there we have it. But first we have to do the flagpole and make looks and go to back layer, front layer, and then we click it, so we'll go to the front and we delete it. So that's how it is with the flagpole. And now the flag, all we need to do for this one is, no, the flagpole. And for the flag, all we have to do is, when the green flag is clicked, it will go to -70, it doesn't matter, it's fine, and it will set ghost effect to 25. Ghost effect to 20, not 25. And it'll go forever and go next costume. So as you can see, I'm gonna code the flagpole real quick to make it stay at this spot. So when the green flag is clicked, it will go to this position. So that's all we have for the flagpole. And so let's see. So look, we got the flag, we got the flagpole, we got the clouds moving, so we are probably halfway. I mean, like, we don't have much. So now we need the fighter jets, number 1 and number 2. And yeah, you can download from the Google Drive or export it. So when the green flag is clicked, it will hide, go back a layer, it will wait 3 seconds. So the first plane and the second plane are around the same code, just slightly different, and we need a forever loop and a show. And we also need a go to X, negative 225, and Y 100. Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, so it'll go to here. Yeah, I already got the coordinates right here. But then it'll glide 1 second to negative 225. Positive 225 and positive 100. So now we have that, and it'll hide and wait a pick random of seconds. Pick random 1 to 5 seconds. As you can see, the fighter jet is about, see, look, we have the fighter jet done. And now this is around the same code, so we're just gonna drag this thing in. And when the green flag is clicked, instead we put it 5 seconds, so then the planes come at different times. Negative 225. So I'm gonna change the Y to 0. Oopsies. And it'll glide 1 second to 225, 0. I'll pick random, and there we go. We got fighter jet number 2. And now we just need the soldier. And now we need this soldier. And so yeah, let's save this. Do you want to see it? First military plane. They're both coming at the same time. So yeah, basically get the point. So let's just look at the soldier statue number 1, the one that's like kneeling down. When the green flag is clicked, it'll go to 100, negative 62, and it will go to the front layer, and it will show. And the soldier standing will, when the green flag is clicked, it will go to, and then it will go to this position, and it'll go to the front layer and show. So you don't really need the show, but just in case, if you're like playing with it and seeing the project, that means I advise you to put the show just in case. So now we have to work on the text. It'll take me forever to type this, so I decided to backpack this. So it's just, and I'm proud to be an American. So you basically get the point, at least. Yeah, so you just have to type one segment at a time. So just type them one by one, like and, I'm, stuff like that. So the best way is to write it all and then slowly delete it down. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to copy this real quick. So I pasted it, and look, so to make the first one, duplicate, and well, you can do that, and then the first one, you just do that, and then you delete all of this, and I think it actually started with I'm proud to be American, so all I have to do is duplicate that, and then I'll go to here, and then I'm proud. So yeah, you basically get the point, and you slowly make it to a whole sentence, and yeah, to be, I'm proud to be an American. I don't really remember the whole thing, but like, yeah, so you basically get the point. So yeah, or you can just export my sprite if you just don't want to type it. So now we're gonna do this. When the green flag is clicked, it'll go to 488. Already there. It'll hide. It'll switch costume to costume 1. It'll wait 10 seconds. And it will start showing. So it'll go to the front layer. It'll show. And repeat 17 times through all the costumes, starting from number 2, because number 1, 18 costumes. So 17 times. Wait 1 second. Next costume. So if you want to make like more costumes than 18, then you probably got to do repeat 18 times or something, 19 times. And then next costume, and then broadcast Happy Memorial Day. Close the backpack real quick. Happy Memorial Day. And it'll wait 5 seconds, and it will hide. The last thing we have to do is not the last thing, but like we have to do the spinning on the Happy Memorial Day. But right now I'm going to show you it. So you got everything. You got the planes. You got the soldiers, and it'll start saying it. And I'm proud. Okay, so yeah, you get the point. Okay, so now all we have to do is the spinny spin for the Memorial Day. I don't think I tried it. There we go. Yeah, look. Happy Memorial Day. And then I'll go costumes. And yeah, you just have to write Happy Memorial Day regular. Okay, sorry. You just have to write it, and then, yeah, and just use text, and you can use handwriting, like what I did. And then, or you can just export the sprite if you just don't want to do it. And when the green flag is clicked, it will go to 0, -100. It'll hide. And when I receive Happy Memorial Day, it'll point in direction 90. And it'll go to front layer, so then it will be in front of everything. It will show set turn to 0, so you have to make a variable. Turn 0. I'll go forever. And change turn by 4. So slowly go like whoom, 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 whoom. So you get the point. The change turn by 4. And then it'll turn, this is the tricky part, turn 15 degrees, you get that. But then you have to get this block, abs of ABS, and you have to put COS of divide, turn, divided by 2. That gives it the turn effect. So this is for if, it'll make a positive number or a negative number, and that makes it turn left and right. So we have one last thing to do, and it's the sun. So yeah, just drag it up there. Doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it on the ground if you want to. And then all you have to do is just, oh yeah, we have one more thing. Add the sound. And it'll go to this. And then I'm also going to make it go to the back layer. So yeah. And this backdrops. So when the green flag is clicked, it'll set volume to 20%. And it will go forever and play a sound called Dance Slow-Mo. Yeah, this one, and it will play this until done. So yeah, you can download the other sounds like Amazing Grace and God Bless America, and I don't want to play this because that's copyright. Oh yeah, we have to name it to Memorial Day. Let's look. So yeah, you basically get it. So I saw the sun was in front of the airplane, so I'm gonna make sure the sun is always in the back layer by putting a small weight in front, 1 second weight. And I found out I spelled Happy Memorial Day wrong. Happy has 2 P's, not 3 P's. And let's see. So, as you can see, the planes are in front of the sun now, and the soldiers and the flag and everything. So, yeah. So yeah, I skipped a little bit. So yeah, it's working. So yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment sections below what else games you want. So yeah, anyways, goodbye. Oh yeah, and some people commented their comments, and some people wanted a Godzilla vs. Kong thing because it was on HBO Max or something, and I haven't watched it yet. I've heard that some people said it was not that good, but still, let's see. And we have Ninja vs. Zombie game, and and we have Harry Potter game. I've only read the first book of Harry Potter. I've never read the other books. And we have an enhanced Pokemon game. So we might add that onto our thoughts. So yeah, we might make those videos later. So see you guys next time.